Hi, this is Jason at Navarock Marine Electronics in Rockland, Maine. We're going to go over a new Time Zero 4.1 feature. They made the day and night modes a lot easier to use and more useful for you. Have a watch. They've always had day and night mode, but they've made it easier to switch and make night mode a little bit more useful. Compass rose menu up here where it says mode, you can go to between day and night. That's pretty normal. You notice there's a new red option. There's also a slider for night mode to go between full brightness and very dim. You can hardly see the screen there. Some people might like the red background because it helps them see better at nighttime without being blinded. They can still see what's outdoors. Keep their night vision. In options here, you can turn on or off the red filter, in which case you'll just have a dimmer version of the screen. If we go back to day mode, there's actually 3 modes there: day, dusk, and night. So they've basically added a slider so you can adjust the brightness of night mode more than you could before. It looks like you can adjust the slightness of day mode as well, and you can. Not that you'd want to do that. And when you're in night mode, you can again change the add the red filter if you want. And then we'll try one other cool feature. Over on the nav panel here, we can add nav data. We're going to make a quick access button. This is sort of a generic button that we can program to do anything we want. So there's our quick access button. Now we'll configure it. Right click on it and choose configure. I'm going to name this button day, night. Then in mode, day, dusk, and night, add cycle values, so it will cycle between day, dusk, and night. Okay. So now if we press that, we can go to dusk, and we can go to night, or go back to day. This does not have to live on the quick access panel here. We can move it elsewhere if we wanted, such as if we wanted to get rid of the quick access panel. We can still have the button there. Oh, we can put it right back there. So it's kind of a cool feature. They've been listening to people who actually use this, that they want new ways of darkening it up for night use. A lot of computer monitors and displays are really good at daytime use, but not so good at dimming down to nighttime use. So this will help with that situation a great deal. Thanks for watching, and keep an eye out for more videos from us about the new features of Time Zero 4.1.